Hi crafty friends, welcome back to my big fat pink journal. Today we're going to be making a super easy belly band. This is perfect for beginners. In essence, a belly band for a journal is a strip of paper or fabric that is glued to the journal page at each end. It can be applied vertically or horizontally, and it holds letters, papers, ephemera, or anything else you want to keep in your journal. It's a great way to add interest to your page too. I'm just flipping through my journal and trying to see where I'm going to place my belly band. I'm going to use this cardstock for my belly band. It's white with black print, so I think it'll go really well on that plain coffee stained page. So all you need is to find yourself a piece of cardstock or scrapbook paper or any paper you want to use and cut a long rectangle, one that fits from the top to the bottom of your page. And it can be as wide as you want. Because my journal is a vintage theme, I am going to rough up the edges a bit and use some distress ink. Of course, this is optional. Of course, there are many different ways you can create belly bands for your journal. This is one of the simplest ways that I know, and I wanted to do it at a beginner level. For all those just starting out in junk journaling, I want it to be simple and not intimidating. Once it's prepared and as I want, I'm going to stick it down. I'm going to use a clear craft glue and I'm going to apply some glue at the top end and the bottom end. And then I'm going to place it onto my page and just press the glued areas and make sure it dries well before we move on to the next step. So this basically is your belly band. You can leave it just like this. You can decorate it as much as you want. I'm going to add a small piece of lace down the center because it suits my theme and I want to add a little bit more. You can add as little or as much as you want. I'm going to use clear craft glue again to stick down the lace. I'm not going to use too much because it is a fabric lace and I don't want it to get soggy. So I'm placing just enough to hold it in place. And then I feel mine needs something more. I want a pop of color across this page. So I'm going to take one of the flowers from the printable kit that I have been using for this journal. And I'm going to cut that out and stick it onto my belly band. You can add lots of layers of paper and make like a full embellishment stack. You could also do some mixed media on the belly band. And it's a great project to mass make. I'm keeping my belly band really simple and I'm only going to attach this flower. And then it's time to put in some goodies into the belly band. Do we say into the belly band or under the belly band? I'm not quite sure. Doesn't matter. I'm going to be using one of these postcards. This is from the Stampera scrapbook paper. I love the beautiful florals. It matches my theme. I'm not quite decided if I'm going to use the green or the brown. I'm just going to cut out both and slip them underneath the belly band and just see which one looks best. And I'm thinking the green. It's a good break of color and a good contrast. I'm going to trim this with my trimmer and then I'm going to round the edges with my corner punch. Other ideas to slip under the belly band are letters. You could do handwritten letters, you could write poems, you could put envelopes, tickets, book pages, lolly or chocolate wrappers, library cards, bookmarks, anything really. And I've seen some belly bands that are really stuffed full. There's so much goodies in there. I'm just going to keep mine simple today. It is the simple version. And that was a belly band in under 5 minutes. I really hope you enjoyed this video and were inspired to create your own. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you're notified every time I upload new content. Thanks again for watching. Happy creating, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.